The first step is to simply go to Vercel, and then what we're gonna have to do is simply go to our project. Then we're gonna have to simply select the one that we want to connect our custom domain to, and then we're gonna have to click on domains in the top right corner. Now, as you can see, this is our current domain. So what we're gonna have to do is simply go to our domain provider. I recommend you to use Hostinger, and if you want to buy a domain, you can simply use my link in this video description because you're gonna get a huge discount. So once you get your domain, we're gonna have to simply go to our domain portfolio on the left side, as you can see here, and then simply click on it. So we're gonna have to simply copy this domain from here and then simply paste it here. Then what we're gonna have to do is simply click on add, and then make sure you select the first one and click on add. Now what we're gonna have to do is simply select name servers, and then what we're gonna have to do is simply paste these two components into Hostinger. So we're gonna have to go back to Hostinger and click on DNS. And from here, we're gonna have to click on change name servers and then select change name servers. And then simply copy and paste these tools we're gonna have to simply paste them here. And then we're gonna have to click on save. So as you can see, it's gonna take a while. So you're gonna see a pop-up here that this may take up to 24 hours. So we're gonna have to simply wait until this finishes loading, and then we're gonna be able to go back to Vercel and refresh, and then the domain should connect automatically. So guys, I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.